In the book of Genesis, creation unfolds in a clear sequence. Light first, then the heavens, then the earth, and only afterward does life appear. A world is prepared before its inhabitants arrive. Existence follows order. In Buddhist cosmology, the story is different, yet strangely aligned. Universes arise and dissolve in endless cycles. Worlds form, life appears, disappears, and forms again not once, but countless times across inconceivable ages. There is no single beginning. Only repetition, impermanence, and renewal. For most of human history, these were philosophical and spiritual ideas. Today, modern astronomy has begun to echo them in an unexpected way. What if planets, the universe's first homes, formed earlier than we ever imagined, before galaxies had fully taken shape? What if, scattered among the first generations of stars, there existed ancient worlds where water condensed, chemistry stabilized, and matter briefly crossed the threshold into life? And if so, how long would life need to appear once such a home existed? This story follows two clocks running side by side. One tracks how quickly the universe learned to build worlds. The other asks how quickly lifeless matter can become alive. On Earth, life emerged almost as soon as conditions allowed. If that pattern holds, then the deepest mystery may not be whether life existed before galaxies, but how many ancient beginnings arose, vanished, and left no trace behind. To follow that trail, we first have to decide what we are actually counting. The places that could host life, or the fragile little systems that might briefly call those places home. When we talk about a cosmic house here, we are not only thinking of a planet that looks like Earth. A house is any world where matter can settle down into something stable enough for chemistry to keep records of itself. Solid surfaces that do not melt away. Liquids that can stick around instead of boiling off. An environment where energy flows, but not so violently that everything is torn apart. That house might be a rocky planet close to a star, an icy moon kept warm by internal tides, or something stranger that we would not immediately recognize as familiar. The forces that build these houses are simple compared to what comes later. Gravity gathers clouds of gas and dust into stars and disks. Within the disk, grains of rock and ice collide, cling together, grow, and eventually become worlds. This process does not need intention, purpose, or design.